If you want to make Microsoft Edge a little safer while you browse, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to turn on enhanced security on the web. This setting can help improve your protection against risky websites and add an extra layer of security while you're online. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots to open the main menu. From there, click Settings. This will take you into the full Edge settings page where you can control privacy, appearance, security, and more. On the left-hand side of the settings menu, find and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains most of the options related to browsing protection, tracking prevention, and security features. After that, scroll down until you see the Security section. Click Security to expand or open those options. Here, you'll find the setting called Enhance Your Security on the Web. This is the option you want to turn on if you want Microsoft Edge to provide stronger protection while you browse. Simply toggle Enhance Your Security on the Web to On. Once it's enabled, Edge will begin applying the added security protections in the browser. Depending on your preference, you may also see additional security choices related to balanced or strict protection, but the main step is to switch this feature on, and that's it. You've now enabled enhanced security on the web in Microsoft Edge. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference in helping you browse more safely. If this tutorial was useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next one for more easy browser tips and tricks.